Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks wavered on Wednesday as investors assessed data indicating falling inflation while the jobs report loomed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.19%, the S&P 500 shed 0.39%, while the Nasdaq Composite dropped 0.58%. Stocks cooled from earlier advances, with the Dow at 1 point up nearly 170 points. All three indexes have traded both above and below their respective flat lines in the choppy session. The market got a morning boost after data showed a drop in labour costs boded positively for the path of inflation, while a jump in productivity signalled the potential for the economy to skirt a recession. Private payroll data from ADP offered the latest indication that the job market, long considered a pain point for the Federal Reserve, was easing. But Wednesday's ADP report is just one in a string of labour-focused data releases expected over the course of the week. On Tuesday, Labor Department data showed job openings in October fell to the lowest level since March 2021. Investors will monitor jobless claims numbers on Thursday before turning attention to widely followed data on non-farm payrolls, wages, and the unemployment rate due on Friday. Labour costs also fell more than economists expected, while productivity increased at a higher rate than anticipated, new government data showed. Wednesday marked the third straight losing session for the Dow and the S&P 500. Those declines raised questions around whether the late 2023 rally was taking a pause or if the market had run up too far, too fast. Still, the three major indexes remain poised to finish the fourth quarter and the calendar year higher. Shifting to US sectors, utilities, industrials and health all closed higher overnight. Energy stocks dragged down the S&P 500 by 1.6% due to a decline in oil prices, making it the worst performing sector among the 11 that make up the index. Halliburton, EQT and Marathon Petroleum experienced drops of more than 3%, while Kinder Morgan was the only exception, gaining 0.2%. The oil prices in the US dropped nearly 4%, falling below $70 per barrel, while Brent crude fell over 3%, dropping below $75 per barrel. Despite the oil market's volatility, Goldman Sachs maintains an outlook for Brent to range between $80 and $100 per barrel in 2024 due to solid demand growth, a slowdown in US supply growth and low OPEC Plus supply. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% fall. Thank you for listening.